Hello, this is Steve Gresham, founder of My $1 Business and My $20 Travel Business. And I just want to share with you a quick update. We're about to launch our version 3.0. We're going to have capture pages included, really beautiful website that you're seeing right now, thousands and thousands in savings for people. The testimonials are coming in all the time. People are saving between the membership savings, the travel savings, and the taxes. We're helping people save thousands of dollars a year. And now we have a $1 million opportunity for as little as 20 bucks a month. You know, you're going to get paid to help people save money. You can earn money from home or while on the go. We do workcations. It's a lot of fun. We're going to help you save thousands on your taxes. The average family savings, $10,000 a year. Plus you have $1 million income potential with the version 3.0. Our Platinum membership is the most popular. You get a 5-diamond to Mexico dream vacation worth up to 3,000 bucks. You got $1 million opportunity now, folks. We are on a mission to help 1 million families get out of debt, and you can start for the price of a pizza. This is our mission, 1 million families financially free. Okay, so don't miss out. Start now, make money, have some fun. And I'm just gonna freeze this frame here. I want everybody to pay very close attention. Now, here's what's happening in the version 3.0 that we're just about to turn on. We have already rebuilt our matrix, removing all of the suspended members and holes. There's only a few suspended members there left because those are people who went suspended in the last month. We want to give them a chance to keep their organization, but all the other suspended members are gone. So, very important that you pay attention here and you understand what's going to happen. We have updated our terms and conditions, as we do periodically. Every time we do advancements with the company, we update our terms and conditions to respond to the needs of the members, protect the company, to protect your business. So you do need to read those terms and conditions and look for all the updates that are in there, and they're very informative. It's not boring at all. You're going to learn a lot about the company and about your business. So make sure that you do pay attention to the new terms and conditions. We have rebuilt, the software guys have rebuilt the matrix for you, and we've removed all the suspended people and all the holes. Okay, so all the canceled people are gone, all the suspended people are gone. Now, the suspended people will be able to come back in and start over at the bottom if they see what we're doing in version 3.0 and they want to sign up. They're still connected to you, so they could join back, but they're going to come in back at the bottom. The great news is, for those of you who've been building this company, you've just had every active member compress up. Now, it has respected the lines of sponsorship. So number one, everybody that you've personally referred, you should still have them in your organization, or you do have them in your organization. And everybody they personally referred is in your organization. Everybody they personally referred is in your organization, and so on and so on and so on. The difference is when you compress a matrix, the way the software works, it's going to respect who referred whom. It is going to rearrange, for some cases, the way the matrix structure is. So understand that when you compress a matrix, there's people who are being compressed up and they're competing for that position. The one who signed up first is the one who's going into that position. So, you know, movements that we've done in the past based on a member request or placing their spouse or their children, you know, on their first level, those things may not be the same now. And that's just the way it is. But what's happened is more active members are compressed up into your organization. Now, for those people who have been building the company, I've already been looking at this and I'm seeing people who have the same amount of active members. Now they get 12 levels, they've got more active members. There are going to be some people who had spillover. In other words, they didn't build that business, but it was given to them. Or maybe they were placed in a hole, and now those people that were, quote, given to them spilled in their organization. They may not be with them anymore. So, you know, it's a situation where we had to clean the matrix. We had too many suspended people. We had too many holes. I know you leaders out there have been waiting on this for months, and we finally got it done. Cost me upwards of $10,000 just to do this one job for you. And I really am excited because it's going to give everybody the ability to not earn up to $4,000 to $20,000 a month per position, but to earn up to millions. This is a phenomenal thing. When you think about a 2x12, it goes 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1,024. And it stops. The most amount of members in a 2x12 is around 2,000 members. And we're talking about a worldwide business with travel savings and savings on other things, and really a multi-million-dollar business that people can start for the price of a pizza. You can have a lot more than 2,000 people in your organization. One of the feedbacks that we had from a lot of the members, especially members in France and other countries, they said, hey, we've got organizations of 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 members. How are we going to put them in a company where we can only earn on 2,000 of them? So as a result, they love the company, but they wouldn't join. Now you're going to be able to attract the big leaders because they can get paid on 500,000 people in their organization. Contrast the 2x10 to a 3x12. Now, you still can get paid 10 levels with only 2 referrals. We didn't change that, so we didn't take anything away. We like to add. We don't like to take away, we like to add, okay? But now we compare this with 5 referrals, you can get paid 11 levels. And for those leaders, 10 referrals, only 10 referrals, even at $20, you can get paid 12 levels. I want you to think about this for a second. Compared to the 2,000 potential members you had in your 2x10. Now, look at the numbers for this. 3. Everybody stretches, just bring in 3 people who want to save money and potentially become a millionaire, and they'll risk $20. Okay? 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, 2187, 6,000, 18,000, something like 50,000, 150,000, 450,000. It's well over 600,000 members. Might even be more than that. I don't have a calculator in front of me right this second. But you have the potential to earn between $1 and $5 a month on 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 members. We just took this from a 20,000 potential income to a multi-million-dollar potential plan. Well, folks, the big leaders want the big money. They weren't going to come before, they are now. Your top position, your 3rd spot, is still empty. Pretty soon, we're going to turn this matrix on where it's already turned on, but you can't see it yet. I'm doing review. I'm making sure I'm very satisfied with everything. I've got my staff reviewing. Pretty soon, we're going to turn that matrix on. You're going to be able to log in and see your new matrix with all your personal referrals attributed to you. But remember, the spillover is going to change structures. There's no other way to do that. The system, the software, from the programming software, it's going to rebuild the matrix based on who came in first. It's based on first who referred who, and then who referred whom, and then time, date, stamp. I want you to understand that. Your matrix may look different, and that's okay, because now all the suspended people are gone, all the holes are gone, and now you can build a multi-million-dollar business. So I just want to tell you how excited I am. As your new website comes alive here, which is the one that you're getting a preview of right now, this is the USA site. We'll have a different site depending on where people live. The site is actually interactive. It's going to ask them, where do they live? They'll tell us, which language do you want to see this in? They'll tell us, and we'll have different languages and different websites, different meanings, different marketing, depending on what country or what language they're speaking. It's going to be very customized. The entire site becomes a capture page. So instead of this Join Now button here, it's going to say free info or get the information. or yes, I want to save. When they click that, they're not going to be able to sign up until they opt in. So they're going to have to enter their email. Now, when they enter their email, it's going to go into your back office. You're going to get an email, right? And it's going to go into an autoresponder that we pay for. Pretty cool. So we're going to have more different capture pages, like one-page capture pages, but the entire site is now becoming your capture page. We're going to give people enough information that they're dying to know what's the deal. Like, we can tell them we have $1 million opportunity, but we're not going to share that opportunity exactly what it is until they give us their email. Then they find out, then they're blown away, then they join. I'm very excited about this. I want to thank all my advisory board members, Tim Jones, incredible, Kenneth Reed, Cornell Jones, Bill Constain. I want to thank my head of lead support, Dexter. I want to thank my wife, Luce. I want to thank all of our leaders, people who are on Facebook, helping out every day, doing fantastic jobs, like Marlena Burton, fantastic. Just a lot of great people with good hearts working together to create this amazing opportunity that's unparalleled in the industry. And we're not done yet. I do have plans for matching bonuses coming up soon, which really gives you a unlimited income potential. That's going to be in the next phase. But right now in phase 3, or version 3.0, you're going to have a beautiful new website. We're going to be unveiling capture pages. We're going to be building this thing together. You're going to have a 3x12 where you can make, money on hundreds of thousands of memberships potentially. And that's just, you refer a few people who want to save money, who want to make money, and they're willing to try it for $20. Pretty easy business. What's your downside? $20 and you don't use anything and you could quit. What's your upside? You can make $1 million a year or even a month. It's no guarantee of income, folks, but this is the real deal. This is just the beginning. You ain't seen nothing yet. This is Steve Gresham saying we love you. Thank you for being a part of what we're doing here and helping in our mission to help 1 million families get out of debt. We're going to expand this thing around the world. We're hiring support in different languages right now. So I'm just very, very excited, and congratulations to all the people who are going on their dream vacations. See you over the top. Get ready. Your next communication will probably be log in and see your active matrix and start. Then, after a couple of days, you'll start placing your new members in your third leg, or if you want to continue to build your 2x12, you can place them in your 2x. It's totally up to you. You have complete control where you want to place your new members in your new matrix, your multi-million-dollar matrix. Have a great day. Don't miss out. Start now. Save money. Make money. Have fun. Share it with everybody. God bless you. Bye-bye.